Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and let's take a look at this week. So we're going to be looking at designing and developing a model and how looking at how architects use models. So first thing we need to talk about is on Monday, you have a day off, but you need to read this letter and go through this presentation to understand what's going on this week as far as transitions and when you're supposed to come to the mile and when you're supposed to stay home. So take a look at those things from Miss Blaylock, and we will go from there. Let me know if you have any questions. The next thing we're going to do is on Tuesday. I've got a couple of videos for you to watch. I would like you to take a few notes. It's not going to be something that you turn in. You just need to know how architects use models. And I found these two videos. These are actual architects explaining how they use models. And I would again also suggest that you use the little gear at the bottom right to speed people up if you're not patient like me. All right. Then you're going to, after you watch those videos, you're going to complete a notes page and a sketch, and you'll open this assignment. It's going to ask you to choose an architectural model. Tell me a little bit about the features and that sort of thing. So you're going to have to read about it a little bit. It doesn't have to be one you've already done. You can choose another one. Actually, I would suggest you choose a different one than the one that you did for the last project. And that way you get a broader experience base. But you're going to research one, and then you're going to do a sketch of something you want to build and list materials and some things like that. When you're done, you're going to scan a PDF of your page using a document scanning app on your phone and submit it as a PDF. On Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to build your model. If you want to see some examples of models, I put a real quick video together where it shows you just a couple. Really, all I want to see is a facade. It's just the front of the building. But if you want to make a three-dimensional building because you just want to, I would encourage you to do that. But at least a facade. What I'm looking for are effort and time spent on it, details, is it durable, is it clear to me that you spent some time developing this? Okay, so spend a couple of days doing that. At the end of each day, you're going to take a picture of you with your model, so split it over 2 days. If it takes more time than that, you can use a little bit of time on Friday to put final touches on, but both of these days, submit a picture of you and your model so I know where you're at. Okay. On Friday, you have 2 things to do. The first one is to answer 3 questions about your architectural style, and you will submit that assignment here. I set it up as a Google document that you'll click on, and it will generate a copy for you, and you just type in your answers in the boxes. Okay, and then when you get done, put your name and the date at the bottom, turn it in. Then the next thing you need to do is get ready for a gallery walk, and to do that you need to prepare a Jamboard. So I want you to put pictures in the Jamboard, a close-up of the features, an overall picture, and then describe the features that are important to this style, but do not identify the style, and do not include yourself, and do not put your name and date on it. I just want pictures of your model and a description of the features. Export the Jamboard as a PDF, and you will turn in that PDF. I'll throw a video down here about how to use Jamboard. That's something I need to put in case you didn't do that assignment, or if you kind of need a refresher on how to use Jamboard. That's all I have for the week. Thanks for watching.